Today is the March the 3rd, 2025. My local time, German, 12:40. London, 11:40. 3 hours after London open. So, this is the news that came out this morning that I can't have a time to look at. Now I sit and look back. Euro news, positive news to Euro news. Even GBP news, also positive news. Euro news, Swiss franc, also positive news. Aussie, also positive news. Today, Brazil bank holiday, so it's Korea holiday, the Independence Day. Okay, let's look at the live chart. Crude oil is 69. I'm not into crude oil so much, but good to know. Let's go to DX, US dollar index future at 107 opening price, high price 107 point. So this is the, we go to the high gets 4 hours. So this is US 106. It's dropping monthly. So it's trying to maintain upper side of the above the range where they break out, they breach the range, but the price returning with this doji. So US dollars look like it's on the way to maintain the ground. We have to see that if they can maintain above this line. So 106 to 1 hours. So this morning US is dropping 15 minutes. It's just the first leg out of the and pull back a little bit. So fresh leaving the upper side where they're trying to maintain the power. Here, this line. So we go to my favorite is Med5 USD. Okay, Med5 USD. Go for 15 minutes at 40.5. Open price as see here. High price 39, low price 39.63, 39.90, 39.60. Opening price 39.86. 39, okay, it's dropping. Let's go to the daily. What happened? Oh, I don't want this. Let's go to the daily, monthly. Okay, monthly. The first two candle in this month just fresh new. What do you think of this red candle from just looking? It's a long week, almost halfway. There's the resistance hold. They try to maintain this area for the next candle. If it's not hold so much, that means sideways a little while. Not gonna move right yet. So let's go to daily. Daily is like they trying this candle, move it down to 30, what? Here 32. That's a daily. It was 30, 32, and the low is what was that? 38. Sorry, 35. They will come and test this 35, I believe. Anyway, that's the Met 5 for 1 hour look. No, I don't want it. Why is always come? I want 1 hour. So this is the big giant move. Pull back. Where are you? Giant move. Return to the place where it was before at 42. This morning they move it down, but choppy. This one 3 candle. This one, okay, what happened? Where are you? That's the 1 hour 15 minutes. Why is coming this? They want to sell something. Autodesk Fusion. I don't like that. Don't have time for that. Okay, that's the news. Here we are. I want to check to show you the euro after the news that euro news come at London market open affect the market. Euro is surging. Euro Aussie up 3 candle up. Euro CAD 3 candle up. Euro Swiss franc 3 candle bridge, almost bridge. They tried. Euro Aussie bridge. Aussie is weak. Euro GBP, is it 1 hour? Yeah, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Euro GBP sideways. Euros JPY 3 candle up. They are calling. Look like they're dumping the other currency, but euro is hot. Euro New Zealand, Euro USD, Euro Bitcoin also stabilize sideways. Make the decision for the first day of the week. That is 1 hour. Let's move to another. Okay, this is another platform, MT5. Daily, I look at the heat map, all from 1 minute to monthly. The trade that I put the bet on sell is GBP Aussie is looking bad, but I put the stop loss far away. It turned to be a long-term trade for me, this pair. I wanted to pull back, but it doesn't look like to pull back. And this is Euro GBP. You can, this chart, this one underneath this is Euro GBP. So Euro is for daily with the GBP. Euro is very down at the bottom of the SLR, underneath the yellow line. And daily, do you think this will turn to red? This one candle is 1 day. It is many hours to go, 10 hours here. Would it be red or will be green for the Euro GBP? Anyway, down here I put on the GBP, on the GBP array, GBP New Zealand, GBP Aussie, GBP CAD on the top of the lead. overbought, almost become. So the GBP, I'm looking only for the top, the bottom I don't care so much, but I have to look at them also. But my trade is GBP Aussie, so GBP USD, GBP Swiss franc also overbought, but it's down here at the number 8 or 9 in the rank. Okay, this is the CSI, Currency Strength Index. Who's on top of the rank? It is 74 for GBP, 62 for USD. GBP look like it's 74. Together with 75 Japanese yen, GBP and Japanese yen is searching, that leading the other currency. 27 for CAD is very low. Aussie 24. Where is New Zealand? New Zealand is way down there. See, New Zealand is 22. Aussie New Zealand, always weak for such a long time now. So 2 pair. What about Euro? They have a good news on Euro. What chart is daily? Euro is 50, and this morning this 50 is not above 50, so Euro maybe just a pullback, and we have to look how pullback, weak pullback or strong pullback. Euro GBP almost overbought. Okay, that's the daily. We go to low to the 4 hours. GBP Aussie overbought by this straight line. Overbought. GBP New Zealand, GBP Aussie, GBP New Zealand, GBP Aussie, overbought. Where is, yeah, overbought. That means possible that they will pull back because the price is overbought. That's why I'm in for that reason. And I put my stop loss a little bit further away. I'll move it down later on when it's come back to be normal. So that's what 4 hours. Go back to 1 hour. This is clearly that Euro GBP chart. Euro strong today. It's supposed to go up, and GBP also strong. I don't like this pair, so I have to change. Okay. This pair will go sideways a whole day. GBP and Euro, no. The weakest is Aussie and things like that. I'm changing is to find a pair for this change. Okay. The weakest one. Which pair is the weakest one? I think this New Zealand 35. I will go GBP New Zealand. Okay, let's go for GBP New Zealand. Where are you? GBP New Zealand. Why? Because GBP is strong. New Zealand is super weak. That's why I want to pair and trade this. There, I put it inside here. Now we get the GBP. Okay, that's look like very strong, powerful. So GBP is running, and anyway, so this is the GBP thing, and I just come here to check this very good cockpit as a cockpit instrument to check whether I come to the chart. Euro GBP is 5 minutes. Euro GBP is 1 hour. So sequence from 1 month. Euro is down here. Euro is down here. The white line is the price line that they move. So the at the bottom of very low overextend area, but this overextend is look like they're gonna move out from the monthly this area down to visit this next pivot point where I put the alert to be a watchdog, a guard for me. Okay, that's the monthly. It's down there. Weekly, no sign of coming back, but this morning Euro is a good news. When it's again the GBP is strong pair. It's not an idea to have this thing on, to trade, because they will go on a sideways. Euro GBP, I will go to another pair then. That what is, I pick up GBP New Zealand. Let's go there. GBP New Zealand, where are you? GBP New Zealand, do I have GBP New Zealand? I have GBP Aussie. There it is, GBP New Zealand. Well, okay, here we go. Alright, GBP New Zealand in this sequence, one minute, one monthly, 1 hour, price up here. GBP New Zealand is running like hell. Put in this sequence, I see it chart better. Okay, what happened? 1, 2, 3. I have 4, 3. I have to open this up and put in the sequence. Alright, now GBP New Zealand monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hour, 15 minutes. Okay, that is the GBP New Zealand. It's running up overall time high. No, it's not. It's still here's something up there waiting for GBP. Why I not put the alert? Alert me when it come here, and it touch this guy, stay above this guy. They are here. The equation have to be solved before they can get moved to above this guy. It will be, I hope for some sideways market around here. So the weekly, and this is where they're gonna fight in the lower time frame. Should I put the alert? Okay, I do that. That's a weekly, a monthly, weekly. I already put the alert. Okay, daily. Alright, let's see. Alright, this is the last grip, daily, and then 4 hours. Let's see a whole sequence. Daily, this should be 4 hours, 1 hour, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, monthly, weekly, come on, weekly, daily, 4 hours. Here I put the sequence and my indicator to show me from the sequence 1 monthly, weekly, daily, and so on. 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes, 5 minutes. So we know that from here GBP New Zealand, GBP Aussie, GBP CAD, all of these are green, and this is the 5 minutes. This is the 5 minute, 1 minute, 5 minute, and so on here until the monthly. So a whole chart showing green. So today is the green except USD CAD. Something wrong there. USD CAD. I'm not gonna go in there and look, but just looking roughly, because USD CAD, USD is supposed to be strong, because here USD 73%. The CAD, what color is the CAD? Is magenta. The CAD, if you want to look for exactly, CAD is 38 compared to 73. That's US dollar. Anyway, this is the chart sequence to show that I have, if I want to buy GBP, I need to wait for at least here. Why not put the alert me please at this line, 1 minute. I want that I want that price, because I know that you're gonna pull back just a little bit, but the price is already high up in the sky. But when I come here, I would look at the correlation and decide accordingly. So that is the GBP New Zealand, the hottest. That's why I take this chart to light everything up, so I can come back and look at it later. Okay, here I put to another chart of C-Trader, that this is the chart of Euro USD, New Zealand USD, all the USD across the board, except this one. I put this one to just to keep tracking on the GBP USD. No, I want the GBP New Zealand, not USD. Sorry, wrong one. GBP NZD, GBP New Zealand. Alright, this is what I watch. I keep my close look to see how they move at the 15 minutes. And here all the weekly of the USD, guys. And the weekly USD is like, this is Euro USD, New Zealand USD, Aussie USD. They come fight under here. All this group is USD come after. So it looks like Euro is weak and sideways, New Zealand is weak and sideways, Aussie is weak versus USD and sideways, and still look like this red candle at the last candle last week is red. Anyway, this is like USD is strong, as I said that the other platform 75% of how strong the USD today is. This is USD in the front, USD CAD, USD coming up and sideways still. Buyer market, but look at just much of this information. Look at this divergence too, from time to time, but this is like USD JPY. That's the JPY pushed the USD down, and USD trying to coming up, fighting in this. That's why I say US is strong, and with the JPY in the range, but no high, no low, in the middle of the inside the bar, inside the long range bar, not range, this leg, inside this leg, come back to the middle, squeeze. Only you can see is not touching USJPY today, is squeezing. And this is the USD CAD, USJPY. CAD is look better if USD is strong. USD Swiss franc also, USD CAD and Swiss franc, there's or something like strong. Both are strong, US and Swiss franc. But I wonder GBP is the strongest. So they are more likely, if not in range on this. This is more like have to be more looking further, more detail of the data to see. But they're all up here, up USD strong today. I come back to here again to look which one is the strongest. I found US Euro. The strongest is 50.91 GBP, then US, then Euro. Three of these pair. Swiss franc is coming, running up, following. So GBP, US, Euro. GBP. So this is GBP New Zealand, GBP Aussie to looking for, but now the rating coming. When something to resistance or something pulling back, we can go down to 15 minutes. No sign of coming back. This is the first rate that we can see for 15 minutes. After all that over, they're running up. But look at the volume. The volume is remain the same, not extreme high. Is at least hope for them to pull back. 15 minutes, 5 minutes, coming more red here. I'm waiting until the red take erase all this green, then this will go down. I'm looking for that. So let's put it back on the sequence, weekly, monthly. Oh, this is free floating the indicator. I can leave it to any time frame I want, but this is in sequence, monthly, high in the sky, weekly, detail of the monthly, GBP New Zealand daily. See, no sign of discount price, so no guy who, no rate. We have to wait until here. That's where I put my line. Or far better is down here. It's more space to move. That's a GBP New Zealand. Okay, London open already 4 hours 45 minutes, and New York will open in about 14 minutes. So I still scanning for the sequence of each time frame sequence. Now I get to Euro New Zealand. It is New Zealand. Why am I here in New Zealand? I wondered why New Zealand is weak, and if they come this level, will New Zealand respond? Otherwise it will be so weak. And let's look at the single chart one by one. This is daily chart. Euro New Zealand. Euro is penetrate, breach this level, and that's Euro strong today. GBP New Zealand. GBP New Zealand is also up. New Zealand is weak. New Zealand switch from. Now it's New Zealand in the front. New Zealand week supposed to go down, yeah. So this is the leg, the breakout, maintain, test 1, test 2, not giving up for the buyer, test again, penetrate down to see, give me more what you can, buyer. Buyer starts, fight back, push more, get the price that they want, moving back, inching, boom, the second blow, first blow, second blow, still remain this line. That's the New Zealand switch from, and this is direct. I only look for the red line, and this is like for the overbought oversold. When they cross this red line is the here candle, follow the candle, and then now they're going down, reach to here. Where is the next level? Is here? Who knows? That's New Zealand switch from. Next is same like New Zealand switch from, New Zealand JPY and New Zealand switch from. This leg is this leg, and poking out this guy, kill here. They want to come here. At least this guy still have to show some respect, but not yet. We can see, unless the sideways market showing us. Aussie New Zealand is a boring pair because they're sister pair. So New Zealand is up. Why New Zealand is strong for JPY today? Is it daily? New Zealand still climbing, inching up. No, sorry, Aussie New Zealand. Aussie still inching up, but no higher high at this level. They look the same, but not the same. Aussie New Zealand is up, training up. Aussie New Zealand and New Zealand. Okay, New Zealand come first. So New Zealand is weak. Aussie come first. Aussie strong. New Zealand is weak, so it's still weak for New Zealand. New Zealand cat. And we're following the sequence here. The with this like this. Sometimes I'm looking for this also. If this candle line is the red line, following, pulling back, here it does follow this and then pulling back, but only this green does not follow. This lower, this higher. I don't know, this green, this green line, something to catch. Here also, only the green line, this up, but the green line is down. The price move down, this green line up, and this hick up here, up and divergent, taking it. So, I don't know. This is the divergent thing. I still need to go through that. A lot to learn. That's New Zealand cat. Next one, New Zealand USD. Cat and USD are sister pair. So 1, test 2, holding the ground. Next level to fight. See who's gonna win if they win. Because this is already, they get the best price they want, and then time to go further down to make another level out of this area. New Zealand USD and New Zealand CAD look more or less sister pair. Last pair, Bitcoin. This is daily. Bitcoin managed to pull the price back. The buyer doesn't give up, and they have to fight here again. Okay. Now we put it back into the sequence. This is the day in New Zealand. Most of the New Zealand are weak. Sideways for the New Zealand and Australian New Zealand. What happened? Okay. Right. Okay. New Zealand Swiss franc. Like this. Swiss franc supposed to respond at this price. Sideways need to create in the lower time frame or show in this time frame for the fight if they can leave this area. Right now, I don't know yet. Nobody know yet. New Zealand Swiss franc. GBP New Zealand. GBP come first, New Zealand come after. GBP is strong. Put it back to the sequence. GBP New Zealand. Why was there this one? So Euro strong, GBP strong, Aussies. So the New Zealand. Okay, these three is correlate. Only two. This one also waiting for to go. The New Zealand come first. New Zealand down. New Zealand down. New Zealand down. Oh, yeah, down to the level where they need to sort out. So nothing in New Zealand at the 1 day market. So what makes it interesting? 4 hours. Let's see the 4 hours. If they are coming. So this is the 4 hour. In 10 seconds this chart will be close full. So the 4 hours is New Zealand strong, New Zealand Euro strong against versus New Zealand BP strong. See clearly correlate. Also New Zealand don't know in decision. Now the New Zealand come first. New Zealand Swiss franc still sideways waiting for the month. New York market open. New Zealand's JPY is the come to the place where the seller need to smash this down and waiting for the confirmation. New Zealand CAD. New Zealand USD, New Zealand USD and New Zealand CAD are sister pair, but why this one is not quite the same? New Zealand CAD are more messy. Let's look at this chart. Okay, that is messy, sideways market, big square of the range. And test one, come to get a better price above this, and this is the best price, far best they can get. Once they get this, boom, come to test this guy, challenge him. He says something. He says something with 3 candle, but that 3 candle doesn't go any further upper side, underneath the Bollinger Band midline, and then the red and the green fighting create SNR here before they break down head from this head and shoulder, come back to the same price where they're challenging this guy, be able to arrest this guy, and the next is down here, and then they cannot get it right one go. They pull back because the buyer are strong also. Fighting above here, challenging stop loss hunting, then no go up further to get the stop loss hunting, just one and then two, getting down. Challenge this guy is a shoulder, head and shoulder double. For me it's just test one, test two, go down or not. If you're gonna fail test two is not yet say anything, just sideways market, create another range to test. Buyers are strong and sellers pull back quite strong, but can't do anything further to get rid of this level. So they're fighting here sideways market and squeezing in the square range. Only two turn formation. Test one. If this test two comes strong, I have to be alert. To be careful. That's New Zealand CAD. Let's go back to the sequence. Why is different from New Zealand USD? Let's have a look. The USD, are they gonna be its range? Okay, it's like one go out of this SNR, test this next level guy who started, bridge him down to the final frontier. This guy have to be showing something, and he does. First time this level is being bridged, so the seller will pull back two tests, let the buyer test if they can take this, challenging them. This will come up to here, green line. For me, what time frame is this? 1 hour. Okay, this is the very strong intention to go down, but it's already on day before, yesterday, day before. Today is okay. Friday, Thursday was something happening a lot in the market to move the price down so far. Be able to bridge this support, turn it to be a selling resistance. Buyers supposed to maintain this ground, take in the order, and then go further down beyond. Okay, this is divergence also occur here. So that is the candle from this momentum make them go further, and the indicator cannot follow. Instead, the indicator move up back, show like this point to this point is divergent. But divergent in the seller market can possibly be just some excitement for the price to pull back for those sellers who haven't get in yet to get in. That's something to need to be concerned. Let's put it back to the sequence. So these two things is a little bit out of correlate, but at least they are downside market. The detail on how we get there is another thing. That's New Zealand CAD and New Zealand USD. New Zealand Swiss franc, New Zealand USD, New Zealand CAD. I'll all check this. They always, not always, sometimes they go very good hand in hand, like brother or sister pair. New Zealand JPY. Today JPY is supposed to be strong. But why it is weak? Maybe it's pulled back for smash down the New Zealand JPY. So why not look at single chart and all the way through from monthly? Come on. So there we are, monthly here for New Zealand JPY. The buyer is triple top. It should be down. That's why today and yesterday I buy the sell of GBP Aussie, and now I have to sit in hostage. The market moves not in my favor. New Zealand JPY moving, give discount for this buyer guy who haven't get in yet. New Zealand JPY moving down. New Zealand is weak. Now Aussie New Zealand, New Zealand supposed to be weak. Aussie is supposed to bring the price up and challenge this guy. Why don't I put the alert, set the price alert? Okay, that's it. And any alert. Want to touch it? Show me what you can do. Next, New Zealand cat, Canadian and New Zealand. It's reached to the place where the buyer will have to take an action. They did. If they can hold above this line SLR, this yellow supposed to hold, because this is the first test, this is the second test. Choppy down and manage to bridge this level, and that's it. They're moving back, make a decision where they want to go, since they get the good price here and she get in the right time, on time, and then this thing being here. That is daily chart from New Zealand cat. Let's look on the sequence. New Zealand cat. Which chart was that? New Zealand cat. This one. Was it New Zealand cat? Look at it again. Test 1, test 2, that's what I remember this. Come to the sideways. That's New Zealand cat. It would be great to sit 5 minutes to just try to memorize this picture, like using like a meditation technique to learn the chart. Okay, anyway. I trip away. And Med5 is still on at 40. I want it to go down. I need to buy this also. That's why I'm looking for US DX 106 calendar. This is good news for Euro, GBP, not JPY, not yet here. Yesterday maybe.